Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to select entire column using shortcut. So there is very simple and easy method friends if you want to select entire column very quickly using shortcut. So move your cursor on that column which you want to select, like I want to select this entire column. So move your cursor and press Ctrl plus space bar. So as you can see, this entire column is now selected in this column, and press Ctrl plus spacebar on your keyboard. So now you can customize and modify this column entirely. Like if you want to change the color, font size, that's it. So very easy and simple method, you can select entire column using shortcut. And if you want to select entire row, so click on the row which you want to select entire and press shift plus space bar. That's it. Shift plus space bar. So you can select this one. So friends, hopefully you like this video, and by this easy and simple method we can know how to quickly select entire column or row using shortcut. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.